A legal battle is now brewing between a St. James business operator and the municipal corporation in the parish over the location of his establishment. According to the municipal corporation, the business cannot be located in front of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. O'Shane Masters explains.
For nearly 30 years, Dane Little says he's operated a restaurant and grocery in Mount Salem, St. James. It's the only business of its kind in the vicinity of the Cornwall Regional Hospital, a plus for him as he benefits greatly from sales from persons visiting the medical facility. But all that's about to change. He's been ordered to move by the St. James Municipal Corporation. Mr. Little is convinced politics is at play.
It's political. You understand? It's political. I've never get any complaint. I've never get any letter from the hospital. I've never get any letter from the public health. I've never get any letter from the police. I've never get any fight until 2016 when I jumped ship, stopped supporting the JLP and started supporting the PMP.
It's a claim the municipal corporation has rejected.
In the council, we have both PNP and JLP councillors, and we work together as a unit. So there is no political bias.
Chairman of the corporation, Leroy Williams, further points to breaches of a planning and town and country development order.
As a matter of fact, they do not have an approval from the municipal corporation to operate the business in front of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They have taken over the road reservation, the sidewalk for pedestrian. It's completely blocked and it endangers the life of persons there because they have to be walking in the road, and that area is very busy.
In the injunction served on the operator, the corporation is also seeking to have the buildings demolished. The matter is currently before the Supreme Court. Patients of the Cornwall Regional Hospital and residents are incensed. They argue that given the proximity to the hospital, they are able to purchase refreshments and other critical items.
When you move this establishment from here, what message are you sending? Versus from the hospital, the ones on the ward. Depends on it for a warm meal every day. Whether they come with money or without money.
We go feel a way if me know say he move. Because when China place locked down, we again we go buy food. We have to look out for the sufferer them as well. You understand? So we are feeling and we go feel it worse because the pandemic already worse already in Panwe. Crime are gone and not stop. So might as well just leave the business alone.
But the corporation is unmoved.
We are not concerned with what they think. We are concerned with the fact that the activity there is illegal and what is taking place there, the fact that there are buildings actually on the sidewalk.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.